Here is how to make a simple leaf made of twist tie. First, make sure your wire has no bends or kinks. Start to form the shape of the leaf. In this case, I want the leaf wider near the tip and narrower at the base. Once done, lock the shape by folding over one end over the intersection. Use the longer wire to form the midrib. Lock it at the tip by folding it over. From the tip, follow the margin to where your first leaf vein will start. Hide the wire below the leaf margin. This will be the bottom of the leaf. Anchor with a fold over, and then bridge over to the midrib at an angle. Make sure that when you fold over the midrib, you form a V shape which heads towards the opposite margin. Lock it in place and repeat the process for the second leaf vein on the right margin. Make sure that when you anchor for the next vein to fold over to the center instead of under to keep the pattern consistent. Here, I will speed up the footage until the last vein. Once done with the last leaf vein, fold towards the base. Lock your free wire by folding over in the center. Now you can bend and curve the leaf. Make the bottom of the leaf concave towards the midrib as well. Check if your anchor points moved and adjust to your liking. And you're done. A simple green wire leaf. Thanks for watching.